Hi, it's Kyle again here at Keys for You. Now we've gone through CCTV, we've gone through the connectors L1 for the front door and the indoor home view cam. The final product I'd like to speak to you about today is this system here, the SR320 Smart Home Alarm Kit. The kit comes with your traditional alarm bell, a smart hub which sits with your Wi-Fi router, PIN code for activating and deactivating your alarm in the property, 2 PR sensors and 1 door connector. The SR320 can install by yourself. Alternatively, you can call us here at the office at Keys for You and get one of our trained professionals to install it at your property. So within the Smart Home SR320 alarm kit, you get the following products. Let's see what we've got in here. There's your alarm bell, which we're going to fit outside at the property very shortly, where my technician will show how it is fitted. Within the room, to go in the corners of the room or wherever you need to fit these are your 2 motion sensors, or what we call the PIR. Get 2 of those. For your front door, you have 1 door connector. To deactivate and activate the alarm, you have your PIN code. Just want to point one little fact out about this system as well. Gone are the days where you have your activation PIN code on the walls. You can now walk around anywhere in the house with this. So if you are leaving the property and you quickly want to get out, just put your PIN code in, leave it to one side. At least you know you're activated and your alarm is on and your house is safe. And this little box here sits with your Wi-Fi router, allowing you to have access to your alarm system on your phone via the Smart Alarm app. Let's get it installed.
First, start off by securing the alarm box to the exterior of the property. This is tamper-proof, and it also lets passers-by know that your house is alarmed. The next stage is to secure the PIRs to the inside of the building. The PIRs are motion detectors, so point them to the areas where people are most likely to make an entrance into the property from. The PIRs are battery operated and will need to be paired with your alarm system. There is also a door or window open sensor. To activate the sensor, remove the protective battery strip. You'll need to start by securing the base plate to the window or door of your choice, and then snapping the body into place until you hear a click and it locks in. The Yale Alarm System is compatible with the Z-Wave, the Connexus lock, the CCTV and the Yale Smart Home app. So once you have all these devices installed, they can all be operated from the same convenient app on your choice of mobile device. For more information, give us a call on 0333 305 2895.